Hi guys! In Wiesbaden there is a cafe called Käse Mohn, and they have a cheesecake with an incredible poppy seed filling, and it's my absolute favorite. So I decided to share the recipe with you today. So as you know, maybe not know, the German cheesecakes don't have a cookie crust. They have a real crust made of Mürbteig, and in order for you to make it at home, I'll show you the recipes right away. The ingredients. And in order for you to make that, I'll show you the ingredients for the whole cake right away. For the ingredients, you need flour, sugar, butter, eggs, baking powder and a pinch of salt, instant vanilla pudding, a lemon, vanilla sugar or vanilla extract, milk, poppy seeds, then I use German Quark, sour cream, and whipped cream. Now for the crust, we have one bowl with flour, sugar, 1 egg, butter, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. And all you have to do is just combine it until you have a nice dough, and then just set that aside for a minute. Now in Germany we always bake in Springforms. You can also use a regular baking pan where you just cut out parchment paper and you lay it into the pan. I'll just take the frame off the Springform and then I'll put the parchment paper in there. What's that then? I'm too lazy to take my glove off, which I will need in 1 second again. So let's see how it goes if I try to put the parchment into the Springform with just one hand. And then goes in the crust. Now I'm kind of lazy and I don't like to roll out my cakes because it's hell of a mess. So I always use my hands, and then I make a nice edge, and then we get to the poppy seed filling. Cool. For the poppy seed filling, you have to melt in a pot sugar, milk, butter, lemon zest, and then once that is melted, you take it off the stove, you let it cool a little bit, and then you put in the poppy seeds, and then you just gently fold them in and let it sit for 10 minutes. And in my case, I butter, sugar. Now in the meantime, we can preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can start with the cream filling. So what you need for that first is sugar and butter and your instant vanilla pudding, but also you need vanilla sugar, or if you don't have vanilla sugar, you can just use vanilla extract, and eggs, 3 eggs. So then you combine all that, and now we get to the part where it's really German, because I use Quark. Now some of you may know from my German cheesecake video what Quark is and how you can make it yourself from sour cream. You can also just substitute it with creme fraiche. I have the entire recipe for you, so for the American version, down below in my description. Then you add the dairy products, you combine everything until you have a nice texture. And now take the poppy seed filling, press it into your pan, and then on top of that goes the cream filling. Into the oven for 60 minutes. If you feel like your oven is making your cake too brown on the top, and it's still not done, so it's wobbly, which is kind of normal also when it comes out of the oven. But if you have the feeling it turns too brown too fast, just cover it with tin foil and bake it till the end. And as I said before, if you take it out and it's still wobbly, that's perfect because it sets once you let it cool. Now decorate your cake the way you want to, do whatever you want with it, just make it. Make it at home and show me the result with the hashtag Lily's Cupcakery. I'm sure it's gonna look amazing. Now don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and as I said before, the entire recipe is down below in the description on my website and social media. Take care and bye-bye.